5. ABS light activation. In some cases, a faulty wheel bearing can trigger the ABS anti-lock braking system light to illuminate on the dashboard. This is because the ABS system relies on wheel speed sensors to detect any irregularities in wheel rotation, which can be caused by a bad bearing. 6. Heat or burning smell. If a wheel bearing is severely damaged or completely worn out, it can generate excessive heat, leading to a burning smell. This can be a sign of a more serious issue,